Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to withdraw your USDT from Bybit in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. Bybit is one of the top exchanges, and with updates in 2025, the process might have some tweaks, so let's make sure you're up to speed. First off, log into your Bybit account using your email, phone, or whatever method you set up. If you haven't enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, yet, do it now. It's a game changer for security. Once you're in, head straight to the Assets, or Wallet, section on the dashboard. This is where you'll see all your holdings, including USDT. Next, select USDT from your asset list. Look for the Withdraw button. It's usually prominent, maybe under a drop-down menu. Now, here's where you need to be extra careful. Enter the withdrawal address. This should be your external wallet address for USDT, like on Tron or Ethereum networks. Double-check it against your records to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. After that, input the amount you want to withdraw. Bybit might show you the network fees up front, so keep an eye on that. Review everything on the confirmation page. Bybit could prompt for 2FA or an email verification here. Hit confirm, and your withdrawal will be submitted. Processing times vary, but in 2025, with faster blockchain tech, it could take just minutes to a few hours. Once it's done, use a blockchain explorer to track your transaction and ensure it lands safely. Pro tip: always withdraw to a wallet you control, and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how to withdraw USDT from Bybit in 2025. It's straightforward, but staying vigilant is key in the crypto world. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.